Hey everyone, welcome back to Error YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to fix Roblox error code 277. This error occurred due to the poor internet connection. To correct it, we will apply the different method to fix this error. So keep the video till the end. First of all, we need to check the internet connection. If a red light is coming from the router or flight mode is on your device, then fix it first. If no issue is found, then follow the next. In the second step, open your command prompt, run some command to fix network problems, which I will provide in the description box. First command is ipconfig //flushdns and press enter. After complete the first one, run second command ipconfig /renew. Press enter. And after this, last command is netsh winsock reset. When complete the last command, you have to check the Roblox game once. If it is not running, then follow the next method. In the last method, go to the Windows search bar and go to the control panel. Click on the network and sharing center. Here you will see the Wi-Fi or internet connection you have connected. Here you disconnect the internet and reconnect. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.